Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Building a Python GUI application using tkinter and pycharm. Introduction. Graphical user interfaces, GUIs, play a crucial role in enhancing user interaction and experience. Python, with its tkinter library, provides a powerful and easy-to-use toolkit for creating GUI applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of building a simple Python GUI application using tkinter, along with the popular integrated development environment, IDE, pycharm. Requirements. Step 1. Set up your development environment. Open pycharm and create a new Python project. Make sure to set up a virtual environment to manage dependencies. Step 2. Install tkinter. Tkinter is included with Python by default, so there's no need to install it separately. Step 3. Create a Python file. Create a new Python file within your pycharm project. Let's name it GUI_app.py. Step 4. Import tkinter. Add the following code to your GUI_app.py file to import the tkinter library. Step 5. Create the main application window. Define a function to create the main application window. Step 6. Add widgets to the window. Let's add a label and a button to the window. Step 7. Define an action. Create a function that will be triggered when the button is clicked. Step 8. Put it all together. Finally, create the main function to execute the application. Step 9. Run your application. Right-click on your GUI_app.py file and choose Run. This will execute your Python GUI application. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python GUI application using tkinter and pycharm. This tutorial covers the basics, and you can explore more features and enhancements for your GUI applications as you become more familiar with tkinter and Python GUI development. ChatGPT.